Most applications that can undo and redo modifications work using something called an undo history. In an undo history, we can only traverse one step back and forward for each action we have done. This means that if we notice we made a mistake very early in our work, in order to undo it, we need to undo everything that we have done until we reach the state before the mistake was created. Additionally, if we fix the mistake by doing things a different way, that is going to create a bifurcation in the undo history. Most applications only support going back and forward in the undo history, and they provide no way to move sideways. This means that when a fork happens, the application forgets about the old history and continues working as if only the new history exists. This means that if we fix the mistake, we lose all the work we did after the mistake unless we save it somewhere else first. For example, before we start fixing the mistake, we copy the work we don't want to lose to the clipboard. We undo the state until we get rid of the mistake. We fix it, which will destroy our undo history. But this time our work is still stored in the clipboard, so we can paste it to avoid redoing all of it.